Hello friends! In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can generate unlimited images on FreeMade while keeping the quality excellent. So first, what you're seeing here is an image of Imran Khan. Now, see yourself. How old is this image and how low is its quality? Now look at this image. I generated it myself. See how high quality it is? High resolution. Take a good look and notice the difference in quality. In the same way, you can generate unlimited high-quality images easily. We'll be creating these images using Lovart AI. So first, open your Chrome browser. Here, type google.cloud. Then click on the first link. Here you will see an interface like this. From here, you have to sign in with Google. I quickly logged in. Now you will see an interface like this. Here you have to click Here, Catalog. Again, you have to click Generative AI. It will take a while. After that, you will see these boxes below. You have to click on the ones that are in seconds. You have succeeded in doing this, after which you have to go down and click on the second one again here, after which you will see what is here, Star Lab. We will click, then we will accept the verification, then we will do the verification. When we do the verification, we will see the email, password, and all this. After that, we have to click on the Add Profile and copy this email and password and paste it here. So we have the student email, we will be logged in. After that, we will search here, Lovart AI. As soon as we log into it, it will give us 30 credits absolutely free. You can see it. And similarly, if we repeat this method again and again, it will give us a new Gmail and we can create unlimited emails from it. And similarly, you can create high-quality images because it is done in a very professional way while I do this processing here. And if anyone is having a problem with it, then they must share their problem in the comment box so that I can make another video on it so that you can create unlimited images. Here is what I will do after that. You can see it in this video. This is a complete video where I create high-quality images on it. So here I have a lower quality image of Imran Khan here and upload it to AI and write simple text. If it is, then it is so high quality it gives the image, whatever the resolution is. That is, this is a very powerful tool. You can use it in advance to create unlimited images in 4K quality. Until then, thank you very much and we will see you in the next video.